germs, fire, and civilization. In this episode, we try to answer the question, why do humans cook their food? Welcome to the Conceptual Kitchen. What makes humans different from other animals? We could talk about things like intelligence, language, cooperation, tool making, and self-awareness. But all of these things have been shown to, in lesser or greater degrees, to be present in other species. Cooking, however, is, as far as we know, an activity reserved for the Homo sapiens. But why? Why do we spend the time and energy it takes to skin, butcher, cut, marinate, season, heat, and serve the meat? And why harvest, process some more, mix, knead, prove, heat, and then serve the grain? First, we need to take a dip into human evolution. Our activity of cooking is directly linked to the perhaps most important human technological development ever, the control and use of fire. With fire, we could keep warm in cold nights, dry wet skins, illuminate the darkness, keep dangerous animals away, and cook our food. We do not know with absolute certainty when the first members of the Homo family line began to build campfires, but in 2013, archaeologists excavating in a cave in South Africa found what seemed to be cooking fires dated to be 1 million years old. That is roughly 100 times further back in time than our oldest cities. In his 2009 book, Catching Fire: How Cooking Made Us Human, Richard Wrangham even argues that cooking our food had significant impact on our evolutionary journey to become the way we are today. Joe has a great video about this over at It's Okay to Be Smart. But what are the benefits of cooking exactly? First off, cooking our food breaks down protein and carbohydrate chains in our hunted animals and gathered plants, so our bodies spend less energy on digestion. Second, cooking our food kills off many bacteria and pathogens, making it less likely to cause sickness. Third, cooked food is less likely to spoil and can be stored for times when hunting prey and harvestable plants are scarce. And last but not least, cooking and preparing meals around campfires create space and time for social interaction. The different processes involved encourages division of labor and sharing of knowledge, and thus the development of culture. And those are exactly the 4 reasons why we still cook today. Preparing the food for digestion, removing dangerous bacteria and pathogens, keeping food stored for longer periods of time, and engaging with each other socially. Most animals, without the ability to cook and rid the food of pathogens, have very limited possibilities in terms of variety of food sources. The vulture, for example, is highly adapted to consuming carcasses. Its stomach acid is extremely corrosive, so it kills off many dangerous bacteria found in rotten meat, but makes it impossible for the bird to get nutrition from plant-based food. Cow, on the other hand, is specialized in consuming grass and similar low-growing vegetation. Its stomach has 4 separate compartments with different digestive functions. It also regurgitates its food to pass it through the system a second time. Well adapted for hard-to-digest plants, but not for much else. With our cooking skills, we humans have developed the ability to consume many different types of food sources and keep our foods for periods without easy access to nutrition. We've been able to move into places with scarce resources and allowed us to spread across different ecosystems around the planet. But most importantly, cooking has given us a surplus of energy in our bodies to develop our brains, and a surplus of energy socially to develop specialized work, create communities, and build civilizations. Next week we talk about the basic ways in which we cook our food. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay hungry for the next episode.